Welcome guys, today I'm with the AirPods Pro 2nd generation and I'm going to show you how you can turn off Siri announce notifications. Okay, so what we have to do, at the first we have to be connected with our AirPods Pro 2nd generation and the other iOS device. In this case I'm using the iPhone. And next we have to go for the settings. And what we have to do right now, just simply scroll down until we find the Siri in the search. So click right here. Next, you have to go for the announce notifications. And as you can see right now, we have to turn off this option, announce when connected to the headphones. Right now, when you are on your AirPods Pro 2nd generation, Siri will be unable to announce any notifications. That's all. You can also permanently turn it off. But if you only avoid this function on your AirPods, just click right here. And as you can see, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.